Hi, I'm Kathleen McElwaine. Inspiration, ideas, and art supplies. Most important is that you paint and become familiar with colors, paper, and your brush. If you already own supplies, use them. Use them until you know what and why you want to purchase something different. If you're not successful at your paintings, it may be a lack of quality rather than ability. If you can follow my instructions, most likely your paint, paper, and brush are good enough. But in today's world, quality of product does matter. I provide all the supplies my students use when they come to learn from me because I want to make sure everyone has the best chance possible to be successful. Use what you have until you know why you want to try something better or different. In other words, owning the best paint, paper, brushes in the world will never make you a better painter unless you use them. Find me at waterbrushteacher.com. I'm the artist behind Quilt Blocks Art. Thank you.